How's it going, guys? PK from Smoke Rubber. Today we're going to be building the Easy Ergo Rise Light Adjustable Desk. I badly need a desk so that I can get back to work and get back to creating content and things like that. I've been working off of a couple of storage bins, and that's gotten old. So yeah, luckily I was able to get a very nice setup from the good guys at Easy Ergo. So this video will cover a bit of an install, a bit of a how-to, a little bit of feedback. All right. So this is what we're working with. Let's see how she goes. Alright guys, so yeah, so there are two different adjusters to, have the desk go up and down. On the right hand side is the one that's included with the unit, that comes with the Rise Light. Left hand side is a beta version of the upgraded one that's going to come out in the future. So I will see about installing both. Probably for this run we'll do the original one that comes with it, just to make sure it works in its normal form. And then later on I'll swap it out for the upgraded one to see what the differences are and see if anyone works better than the others. Alright, so making some progress here and almost done. Alright guys, so here's the Rise Light desk. This is so far the sitting height that I like. I will say that this controller is a little bit clunky to me. It doesn't seem like it saves the memory preset, which I'll figure out soon. Maybe there's a specific way. Just the way we figured out that right now it's in sleep mode, and we kind of have to unlock it before we can mess with it again. But I love the top for sure. It's a solid piece. There's no real waddling on its own. It's got a little bit of give, but I'm okay with that because I can lean on it. I'm not gonna have a lot of stuff on here besides computer-related items. I'll be using this as my sort of studio over time to do these videos and content and stuff like that. And this is a one-off here, but the company is very nice and wanted to work this out with me, and I'm happy to make this video. So shout out to Easy Ergo. Love the desk. We'll give you some more feedback, and there'll be a follow-up to this using the different controller. All right, thanks everybody.